Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I will show you how to turn your photo into a skeleton wizard using AI. And yes, it's completely free. It's super easy and you just need your phone and a few minutes. Okay, let's get started. First, just open DreamFace app. If you don't have it yet, just go to Play Store and search for DreamFace and then just install it. And once it's installed, just open the app and log in with your Google account. And don't worry, DreamFace has a free plan which gives you a weekly credit. That means you can create a few AI photos or video every day without paying anything. It's perfect if you just want to try cool effects like this one. After logging in, you will be on home screen like this. Just tap on AI filters and then you will see a list of trending filters. On new area file and then just tap on skeleton wizard. It will transform your photo into a mystical magician complete with dark fantasy vibes. Next, just select your photo, make sure it's a clear portrait with your face visible. I will choose this one and then when you're done, just tap on Animate. And okay, like this. You will see your photo turn into a skeleton wizard like this. And honestly, it looks so awesome and so dramatic. Next, if you want to save the photo, just tap on generate, or you can also just share it to your social media. And okay, that's it. That's how you can easily turn your photo into a skeleton wizard using DreamFace. It's completely free. Okay, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.